Hello everybody, it's me Shazib Kamal and I just want to introduce you this great course where you can learn that how you can migrate your website from a single server to another. I am the co-instructor in this course and my partner is Awais Cameron who has a wide experience in the WordPress field. You'll meet him soon in his course. By the way, what is this course about? When we just go to the wordpress.org. So WordPress is the most popular CMS being used today. Numerous developers are using WordPress for building all types of websites and its popularity is increasing with every passing day because it's free, open source, easy to learn and use, flexible, has a very large list of active developers. This is the wordpress.org. Okay, from here you can download the WordPress and you can work on it. By the way, the problem is, and why we are making this course, why my partner, the co-instructor of this course, Mr. Awais Kamran, took a step to teach you all the things because all the hosting companies do not support the WordPress with its true power. Unfortunately, this fact is revealed to most of the developers when they have completed their website. Now, you need to move your website from one host to another host, and in most of the cases, you would not like to disturb your current site visitors. So you can do only if you know how to migrate your website from one hosting account to another seamlessly. After watching this course, you must have been able to do all types of migrations including localhost to live server, one host to another host, main domain to subdomain, from live server to localhost. Means every kind of WordPress migration is possible when you've learned this complete course. You can see that it has a lot of chapters like some basic concepts, introduction, pre-request sites, and the scope of the course and how WordPress works, mean the basics of the course. Then the local host to live server means how you can just shift up your website from the local host to the live server. Then you will learn that how you can shift up your website from the live server to the local host by using these ways like downloading files and creating database, and then at the end changing the URLs in a database. Then you will be learning about main domain to subdomain migrations, the next part of this course, the next section of this course, where you will be creating a subdomain first, then moving files from main domain to subdomain. And also, this is not necessary for you to just apply these techniques to the WordPress. You're free to use these techniques for your coordinator project, your Laravel project, your core PHP project, or whatsoever, even the Node.js project. Okay, I'm Node.js expert too, by the way. So but the main concept of this course to make is to teach you about the WordPress and the migration of the WordPress. Then you will talking about the migrating to another hosting account to another one. So now what we are going to do to the end, changing the URL in a database. Then the migration to another hosting account again. Wait, I just need to clear something when I just click on this pencil so you can see it's complete section name, the migrating to another hosting account with different domain. Okay, and here we are just migrating your website to the different domain. This is very important class throughout the whole section. And when we just go there, so now migrating to another hosting account with the same domain, this is another important section, by the way. Now complete migration using plugin. Here also we are going to use the plugin and going to teach you the plugin. So I think this is a good news for you that you're just gonna be the master of the WordPress migration. Also, as I say, that you can use this course to migrate your other projects like coordinator, basic things about the basic concept, you know, the same, because the WordPress based on PHP, and also here we are just using the live server, the local host, the domains, the subdomains, and etc. Means all the things we just need for the PHP too. So guys, I'll see you later in the course, and my co-instructor Mr. Awais Cameron, who has wide experience in his WordPress field, will take you over. Goodbye.